welcome to W3CSS Paragraphs demo. I am Alaa Haddad. I am the developer for the W3CSS Theme and the W3CSS Paragraphs module. If you want to build along with me, you will need the following: Drupal 9 or 10 site installed, W3CSS Theme, the W3CSS Paragraphs module, the Paragraphs module, the Entity Reference Revisions module, and the Field Group modules. I have on my local a Drupal site installed. It has some dummy content, nothing fancy. I have the 2 default theme. I downloaded on my local the W3CSS theme and the 4 required modules: the W3CSS paragraphs, entity reference revision, field group. This demo is going to be for the W3CSS paragraphs views. In order for us to build this bundle, we must download another contrib module. It's called the view reference field. I downloaded already also this module on my local, so I haven't installed or enabled any of the theme. So let's start by installing the theme. After installing the theme, we'll go and enable the modules. I will just look for the views, this module, and also I have Fuse UI disabled. I want to enable it. I am click install, continue. That asks you for all the required modules to be installed, and I'm saying yes. And if I go to structure views, these are the views I have on the side by default. I added one, it's called home blocks, and it has some blocks in it, just some straightforward, nothing fancy, some blocks printed with some content type. I'm going to start the demo. I'm going to add structure, content type, add content type, name it, save. I am deleting the body field. I am adding a paragraph field to reference the module, not this one. I'm adding this one. Demo, save and continue, save. I'm excluding the shared, I don't need to see it. Save. I added the content type. Let's go and add the content. The demo, I'm adding a title, the bundle, which is views. I'm adding the views. Whenever you add a W3CSS paragraph bundle, you get 2 tabs. Content, the default, the opened. Display is the second one. Content, you enter your content. Display, to control and customize the output of this box or of this paragraph type. I have an image on my local help to understand what's happening or what the features we are using here. I have a box. This is the content, or this is the paragraph type, the paragraph bundle. It's a box. I call it a box, and this box has a background, a content or text inside it, or any kind of content you have. And then you have padding. For each box has padding, border, and margin, and of course the width of the box. If I look to the features here, all these features are here. You can control. We're not adding anything first. Let's go and add the block or the Drupal views. I can add a content, a title here. It's not required, but To do that, you start typing, and I need this views, and I'm going to select a block, and I click save. This is the default, this is the block by default. Let's go and add some customization to this block. I can add a background, opacity of background. I'm changing the width to 60, for example. That's enough. Let's go and click save. Let's see what's happening. This is the block now, and add it. The idea of these features, is that to understand them, you just have to go and apply any features to see, and then you will get exactly what's happening. This is the text color, for example. I can add hover, I can add round, border, padding, margin, as I said before in the box, padding, margin, borders, rounded corners. This is what I'm changing here. Shadow for the box. If I click save, this is how much I change the box. I can control and change the box. I wanna go and show you what actually this block, the views, so views manage field, and the views reference. This is the field. If I click edit, this is the configuration for this field. So I'm just saying allow only blocks in the customization, and I didn't select any views or anything. You feel free, you can apply or customize this one if you need more for this one. I go back to the content. If I want to apply or update the view field by customizing the look or the width. I think this is covered, this W3 paragraph bundle. Thank you for watching.